modifying my coal forge. Originally it was just this clay going down at an angle, and it was giving me a really shallow fire. As you can see, it's real thin right here, so it would go down to about there, and the fire would be on top in a lump like that rather than being deep like I needed it to. I got that brake drum from a friend, and that is going to be inside of my forge. Say hi! Wave. Wrong hand. Yes, I'm missing a finger. Alright, so I've got the brake drum, those upper lips cut out. I've got it rebolted to the rest of the forge. I pre-soaked this just to get a better bond between the new clay and the old clay. So what I'm going to be doing is, getting the rest of this mixed up with a little bit more water because there's some dry stuff I added. And poo! Alright, so it's all clayed in. Got clay all on the outside and all on the inside. As you can see, it's deeper than what I originally had before. And 2 weeks later, I finally bring it out of the garage. It's completely dry now, and hopefully this will make my fire a little better. Goes down about 1.5 inches. It's a lot better than what it was before.